Ever found yourself intrigued by the deep, rich flavors of Indonesian cuisine? Ever heard of a dish called rendang? Welcome, food lovers, to the vibrant and diverse world of Indonesian gastronomy, a melting pot of flavors that is as diverse as its archipelago of over 17,000 islands. Today, we're going to delve into a dish that has been crowned the king of Indonesian cuisine, rendang. Originating from the Minangkabau region of West Sumatra, rendang is a slow-cooked caramelized meat dish, often made with beef, simmered to perfection in a medley of spices and coconut milk. Its rich, complex flavors are a testament to the culinary craft of the Minangkabau people. The dish encapsulates the very essence of Indonesian cuisine, with its intricate blend of sweet, spicy, and savory notes. So, strap on your aprons, because we're about to uncover the secrets of this tantalizing Indonesian dish. Get ready, because the journey to the heart of Indonesian cuisine starts now. Diving into the world of rendang, you'll find it's a symphony of flavors, each ingredient playing its part. At the heart of this culinary composition, we have the beef, offering a hearty base that's both robust and satisfying. Next, we introduce the coconut milk. This is no mere bystander in our dish. It brings a creaminess and richness that binds everything together. Now, onto the lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves. These three ingredients conduct the orchestra of flavors, infusing the dish with a refreshing citrusy note that dances on the tongue. The garlic, shallots, and ginger are our savory trio, providing a depth that grounds the dish. But what's a dish without a little excitement? That's where the tamarind paste and chili come in. They give our rendang a tangy heat, a spark that ignites the palate. Each ingredient in rendang plays a crucial role, contributing to its multi-layered flavor. Now it's time to get our hands dirty and craft our rendang. We'll begin by simmering our beef in a rich mixture of coconut milk and aromatic spices. This isn't a quick process, so be prepared to practice a little patience. The key here is to take it slow and allow the flavors to meld together. As the beef simmers, it will slowly soak up these exotic flavors, becoming tender and delicious. As the beef cooks, you'll notice the coconut milk will gradually reduce, leaving behind a rich and flavorful sauce. This is where the magic happens. The beef will start to caramelize in this reduced sauce, taking on a deep golden color and an intense flavor that's truly unique to rendang. But we're not done yet. Once the beef has caramelized, it's time to add a fresh batch of spiced coconut milk. This second bath of coconut milk will give our rendang its signature dark brown color and rich, layered taste. So back on the heat it goes, and once again we watch, we wait, and we let the slow cooking process work its magic. The final result is a dish that's more than just a sum of its parts. The beef, tender and succulent, is infused with a complex array of flavors, from the sweet and creamy coconut milk to the pungent and aromatic spices. The sauce, thick and rich, clings to the beef, making each bite a culinary journey to the heart of Indonesian cuisine. But perhaps the most rewarding part about making rendang is not just the eating, but the process itself. The slow, methodical cooking, the anticipation as the flavors develop and deepen, the satisfaction of seeing the final dish come together. It's a culinary experience that's as rich and rewarding as the dish itself. So, there you have it, a dish that is as rewarding to make as it is to eat. Rendang, the jewel of Indonesian cuisine.